Welcome into the era of AI. Hello there and welcome. In this lecture, I will introduce you to a software called Akool, which can help you swap your face like so. But first off, we need to go ahead and introduce you to something, but not before having a look at FaceSwap Akool. Now, we already went through this example inside the course of me swapping my face with Elon Musk and basically emulating his movements. And it's just making yourself someone else. Now, this is all for hypothetical purposes. It's only practice, and I don't condone anyone to do this. But here we have Elon Musk on the left and myself on the side. I can play Elon and myself at the right time so that they can both talk. And you can see that I'm pretty much using his same way of talking, right? So it copies the way that he talks, copies his gestures, everything he's doing is pretty much copied. And it is really amazing because the face is mine and most of the other features are also mine. And they managed to create such a good deepfake, which is not possible really using many other softwares. And as you can see, this is pretty good. But first of all, we have generated a Synthesia video in the previous lecture that we're going to have to go ahead and watch. So this is the Synthesia presentation that we have created, and I want to show you a glimpse of how it turned to be. So let me go ahead and play the entire presentation or just parts of it.
As we stand on the brink of a new era, it's crucial for every industry to recognize the transformative power of generative technology. It's not just about automation or making existing processes faster. It's about unlocking a world of innovation that we've only just begun to explore.
In my 2 decades of leading businesses to the forefront of their sectors, I've learned that the key to revolutionizing an industry is not just hard work. It's smart work. Generative technology is the epitome of this, especially in product development. Imagine creating products optimized for efficiency, cost, and performance without manual limitations.
The realm of content creation has been completely redefined. Through generative AI, businesses can now craft personalized marketing campaigns and stories that resonate on a deeper level with audiences. This isn't the future, it's happening right now, enhancing creativity and engaging customers in ways previously unimaginable. Efficiency isn't just a buzzword. In the world of business, it's the backbone of success. Generative algorithms are streamlining operations across the board. From supply chain logistics to resource allocation, we are witnessing a revolution in how companies operate, enabling smarter, real-time decisions that were once thought impossible. Research and development have always been the lifeblood of innovation. With generative models, we are accelerating the pace of discovery in fields like drug development and material science, uncovering breakthroughs at speeds that defy traditional timelines. This is not just advancement, it's innovation at warp speed. But with great power comes great responsibility. As we harness the potential of generative technology, we must also navigate the ethical dimensions it presents. From data privacy to ensuring technology serves the greater good, the path forward requires a commitment to responsible innovation. I've seen firsthand how generative technology can drive industry.
All right, so that was a pretty good introduction there. Right now, let's go ahead to this software called FaceSwap Akool, or FaceSwap.akool.com. In this particular software, you can basically swap your face with any particular character. The only thing you would need is a video. Now here, you need to upload a particular video of yourself or a video that you want. So for instance, if you want to swap your face with Elon Musk, then upload a video of Elon Musk or upload a video of someone else, not these celebrities. These are just used as examples for this course. Otherwise, I wouldn't do this and share it on social media. But here I already have a video right here of The Rock. Now, you can basically change the content at any time by clicking on Change Content, and you can upload the video which you want. Now, in my case, I'm going to select this as the base video, right? And here you can choose the face. Now, I've already selected my face previously, so there is no point in using my face again. So in this case, I'm going to use this demo face right here. And you don't need to click on Face Enhance and re-age, leave it as is, and then click on High Quality Swap. Now, normally, it's going to go ahead into the library. And it's going to take some time before they manage to swap the face, right? So basically here, As you can see, it's loading, but once that's done, we'll be able to have a look at our video. All right, so the video has now been processed. I can click right here and it will play right away. And you can also download it by clicking on this button right here and downloading the video. Now, as you can see, this is absolutely incredible. Now, the more the complexity of the skin looks like the character, the better. For instance, if I swapped my face with The Rock, it would look significantly better than this. This still looks good, but people can catch up on this and they can say, well, this is not 100% legit. But for instance, if they look at another one, which is this one here where I use my own face, and I can click on it, this one instead has basically a touch of reality. You can see that this, people will say, well, this might not be a deepfake. Of course, if they don't know who The Rock is, this might pass as the real deal. But you can see that you have to make sure that you pay careful attention to these details. But otherwise, it is quite good at generating your particular deepfake. So that was it regarding that particular software, FaceSwap Akool. In the next lecture, I'm going to introduce you to Emulate Me, which is a software that can help you create your own digital version of yourself. Stay tuned for it. Passive Income Gen Z wishing you the best and signing out.